And we're back for another LU vlog. And this time we're staying at Natalna Boutique Home in Bacnotan, La Union. So we're staying here for 4 days and 3 nights. Nabook namin siya ahead, like mga 4 or 5 months ago. And kasi nga mahirap mag-book dito, lalo na December. Kaya sabi ko we have to book early. And we're staying here with our friends from Australia. Kaya gustong-gusto nila na e-enjoy nila ang beach. So it's currently 11 in the morning. Medyo nag-chill-chill lang kami dito by the pool. But later, we're going to visit Daddy. We're gonna have late lunch sa Alpas. So first time din namin matatry yung food sa Alpas. And then we're going back here to watch the sunset. Kasi if hindi nyo alam, sobrang ganda ng sunset dito sa Natalna. And yung beach area niya, sobrang linis. And meron na silang parang beach club. So it's Saturday and I'm sure it's gonna be a nice sundown party here sa Natalna. So we're now here sa Alpas and we're going doon sa part ng may beachfront area. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda. Merong pawikan hatchery doon. And this is the... Uy, ando doon siya. Say hi to Champ. Siya yung may-ari. Si Champ from Hale. Hi. Nice. Ganda. So, medyo may mga bato-bato. And pero ang ganda pa din. Dahil nakita ko siya, parang gusto kong kumanta ng The Day Said Goodnight. Your pets are welcome here. Oh, laki niya. Hello. Anong name po niya? Bruce? Hi.
Bruce.
Bruce? Hi. That's Abby. So, Alpas is a coffee and plant studio. Kaya kung makikita nyo, parang medyo madami talagang plants dito. Pero, dito tayo o-order. Yan. We need to order our food there. Then, meron din silang mga merch. And they accept Go Time here. Yan, order na sila. Hi! Order na tayo. Cheers!
Happy birthday, PJ. Happy birthday, Miguel. Happy birthday, Pedi.
Happy birthday, PJ. Happy birthday, Miguel.
Miguel.
Hi. Hi, guys.
Hi.
We're going back to Natalna at doon kami sa sunset session. Hello!
Itong isa.
This is
Sisig.
No, this is Bicol Express and then the adobo. Sinigang niya red. Oh. So, yan ang jeep na sasakyan namin papuntang Tangadan Falls. Say hi!
Hi!
Hooray!
Hi! Ako, meron lang. Nagsimula akong car na ako license.
Yan, mga hindi na nag-jeep, first time na lang ulit. So we're walking down. Pababa na kami ng Tangadan Falls. Pero may nasiraan. Kaya kailangan namin bumaba doon sa part na hindi pa dapat drop off. So meron pa kaming walk na mga 30 minutes. Kasi dahan-dahan lang dapat dahil sobrang steep ng mga daan. Pababa na naman. Ay, grabe. Paangat. Okay, so we're now in Dampa sa May San Juan. So we're having our late lunch. Pero kukwento ko muna sa inyo kung ano nangyari sa Tangadan Falls. So nangyari sa Tangadan Falls is super duper 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 steep pala ng mga stairs doon. Like super hirap bumaba. Para sa mga ka-age siguro namin. Pero okay naman siya. It's worth it. Pagbaba namin dun sa baba ng Tangadan Falls. Sobrang worth the lakad. And also yung jeep ride. And then, ang maganda doon is meron kasing tour guide. So, ang suggestion talaga nila doon is merong tour guide para yung papunta nyo doon, hindi kayo maliligaw. So, I'll give you a little tour here sa Natal na sobrang gandang resort na to. So, that part is yung restaurant na area nila. And you can sit here sa labas. Siyempre, kasi ayan, lalo na kapag sunset. And then, ayun yung room namin. Room number 7. And then, dito naman, may mga rooms din. Ayan, yan. Hanggang doon. Ito yung tiny house. I think can accommodate more people. And then, ayan, diba? The pool is super duper inviting. And ito naman yung mga day beds. If you wanna relax here. So, yesterday, nandyan kami. The other day naman, doon kami sa may beach area nila. May mga upuan din doon, may mga beanbags. Yan yung stretch ng dagat. Sobrang lawak hanggang doon. So, syempre, pag sa hapon, medyo expect nyo na mas maalon. Dami talaga. Grabe, ang lalaki ng mga waves. So, this is our room. Dito si Miguel, sleep. And then dito kami ni Pei. May study area. Then, lampshades. And yung closet niya nandito din sa loob ng bathroom. Which is super, super, super chic and spacious. Diba? Look at the details. So this is, I think, 5,000 per night, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi medyo matagal na namin siya na-book. And ang view namin is yung beach. But nasa second floor ito, kaya maganda. Yan ang view from our room. This is your way to the beach.
Watching a soap opera, I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty.
So we went to Tangadan Falls. And hindi namin in-expect na mapapagod kami ng ganon. So pupunta ka ng San Gabriel Municipal Hall. So doon namin minit yung tour guide namin na si Kuya Dan, na sobrang helpful, grabe. Kung wala siya, ewan ko baka nadulas-dulas na ako dun sa mga bato-bato sa may Tangadan Falls. So, pagdating mo ng Municipal Hall, you just have to register and pay 30 pesos each for the parang environmental fee nila. So, you have two options. The first one is you can rent the buong jeep, as in private na jeep. So, if konti lang kayo, pwedeng, ang ginagawa nila is bumubuo sila ng isang parang group. Basta parang ang kaya ata is 12 to 15 packs. So, that's the first option. Ang second option naman is you ride the habal-habal. Habal-habal, ang tawag nila is, ano siya, like single na motorcycle. Naaangkas ka doon sa likod ng kuya, and then, mas mabilis na way yun. So, yung jeep is 1,800 two-way na. So, going to Tangadan, then the driver will wait for you kahit gaano pa katagal. 2-3 hours, you can stay there actually. And then, pabalik na kayo. So, today, ginawa lang namin, nagpahinga kami the rest of the morning, nag-breakfast kami at 10 o'clock, and then 11, check out na namin. So, I'm hoping to come back again here sa Natal na. Lagi naman ako nandito sa La Union because of my sisters and daddy. Pero, maganda talaga na mag-stay dito sa Natal na kasi hindi siya ganun kalayo from other places and other tourist spots na pwede niyong puntahan. So, that's it. Like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. And bye-bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.